Insanely cool craft ideas. Ice cream. Fold the paper. Draw a semicircle and cut. Draw a crisscross pattern. Now fold the paper again. Glue the paper in place. Now roll air dry clay into a round shape. I'm using pink color, but you can use any color you like. Draw sprinkles on the clay using markers. Place the clay onto the cone. Take a small container. Cut tissue paper and fold. Place the tissue paper and the ice cream into the container. The ice cream is ready. Stickers. Draw the shapes. Place a plastic sheet. Trace the shapes using hot gun glue. Remove the paper. Remove the dried hot glue from the plastic sheet. Now paint the shapes using any colors you like. You can also use pens, markers, and brush pens for details. Write smile and color using markers or brush pens. Now use glue to paste the stickers around the smile. And the 3D stickers are ready. Sunflower. Paint pistachio shells yellow. Roll black air dry clay into a round shape and place the shells into the clay. Poke the clay using a toothpick. Stick pistachio shells together using hot gun glue. Paint the shells green as well as some toothpicks. Poke the toothpick into the clay and roll out brown clay and place it into a small container. Poke toothpick into clay. Glue toothpick to leaves. Place leaves into the clay. The sunflower is ready. Thanks for watching.